Case Study: Revolutionizing Cybersecurity, a case study on the integration of reinforcement learning at Cybersecure Inc. Reinforcement learning is revolutionizing cybersecurity by providing systems that can learn, adapt, and respond to emerging threats autonomously. Consider the scenario at Cybersecure Inc., a leading cybersecurity firm faced with an escalating number of sophisticated cyber attacks. The company's chief security officer, Laura Bennett, and her team are exploring the deployment of RL to bolster their defense mechanisms. Laura's team first focuses on enhancing their intrusion detection system. Traditional IDS often miss new attack patterns, relying heavily on pre-existing signatures. Instead, Laura's team integrates a deep queue network to their IDS, enabling it to learn from continuous network traffic data. The effectiveness of this approach is validated by a study conducted by Sultana and Chilam Kurti, which demonstrated significant improvements in detecting network anomalies. How might this adaptive learning benefit in real-time network security? By continuously learning and adapting, the RL-based IDS can identify previously unseen attack patterns, drastically reducing false positives and enhancing overall network security. Next, the team shifts their attention to optimizing security configurations in their cloud infrastructure. Traditional methods require frequent manual updates to address new vulnerabilities and compliance requirements. Nguyen et al. Demonstrated the potential of RL in automating these configurations. Using a policy gradient method, Laura's team trains an RL agent to dynamically adjust security settings based on real-time threat assessments. What challenges might arise in maintaining the balance between security and performance in such dynamic environments? The RL agent effectively enhances the cloud's security posture while reducing manual intervention, proving the practical benefits of RL in managing complex cybersecurity tasks. Laura's team then addresses the perennial issue of malware detection. Conventional antivirus programs, relying on signature-based detection, often fail against malware using obfuscation techniques. Anderson et al. Explored an RL-based adaptive malware detection system that focuses on behavioral analysis. By training the model to identify and respond to malicious behaviors dynamically, Laura's team aims to improve their malware defense mechanisms. How does this behavior-based approach compare to traditional signature-based methods? The RL-based system showcases superior performance in detecting and mitigating malware, highlighting the potential of RL in providing robust defenses against evolving threats. The team also explores the use of RL in proactive threat hunting. Traditional threat hunting requires significant expertise and time to manually search for signs of malicious activities. Du et al. Applied RL to develop an intelligent threat hunting system. By integrating supervised learning with RL, the system continuously learns from historical data and adapts to new threat landscapes. How can RL enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of threat hunting operations? The RL-based system autonomously identifies and investigates suspicious activities, uncovering hidden threats that manual processes might miss, thus significantly enhancing proactive cybersecurity measures. Automated penetration testing is another area where Laura's team sees potential. Traditional penetration testing is labor-intensive and dependent on the tester's knowledge. Lee et al. Demonstrated an RL-based framework for automated penetration testing. By training an RL agent to explore and exploit vulnerabilities in a simulated environment, Laura's team aims to streamline the process. What are the potential benefits and limitations of automating penetration testing with RL? The RL-based agent identifies a broader range of vulnerabilities and generates more comprehensive security assessments compared to manual testing, underscoring RL's potential in enhancing penetration testing methodologies. The integration of these RL applications transforms Cybersecure Inc.'s approach to cybersecurity. By continuously learning and adapting, RL-based systems offer dynamic and robust solutions to the ever-evolving landscape of cyber threats. How can organizations balance the implementation of RL with existing cybersecurity strategies? The advancements made at Cybersecure Inc. highlight the importance of integrating RL into cybersecurity strategies, paving the way for more intelligent and resilient defense mechanisms. As the case study concludes, Laura and her team reflect on the transformative impact of RL in their cybersecurity efforts. They realize that while RL presents numerous benefits, it also requires careful consideration of ethical implications and potential biases in training data. How can organizations ensure the ethical deployment of RL in cybersecurity? By maintaining transparency in their training processes and continuously monitoring the performance of RL systems, organizations can mitigate ethical concerns and biases. In summary, the case study of Cybersecure Inc. underscores the significant potential of RL in enhancing various aspects of cybersecurity. From improving IDS and optimizing security configurations to advancing malware detection, proactive threat hunting, and automated penetration testing, RL offers a dynamic and adaptive approach to counteract modern cyber threats. These advancements emphasize the critical need for organizations to integrate RL into their cybersecurity strategies, ensuring a resilient defense against the ever-evolving threat landscape.